For this class, I choose the function describing people. And the main objective of this class is describing people in a positive way in order to prevent bullying. So I prepare a PowerPoint presentation, and in this presentation I'm going to begin giving the students the rules of the class. And the first rules is they must raise their hand to say something. And the second rule, they must be respectful with their classmates and with the teacher. It's important that. I'm going to begin the activities of the class with 2 videos. The students are going to watch these videos. They are very short. The first one is only 3 minutes, and the second one is only 2 minutes, but they are about the bullying. After the student watch these videos, I'm going to make some questions. I'm going to ask them, for example, how did they feel and what they think about the bullying, if they have ever done bullying to a classmate, or if they have been victim of bullying. And the students can answer me in English or in Spanish as they want. So after this, I'm going to show the students these pictures, and these pictures have different people. I'm going to focus on the difference between the people, and showing them that if we are different, we have unique, and we must respect each other. And so I'm going to show picture by picture, and they are going to try to say the adjectives if they know the word. I'm going to have a poster too pasted on the board, because it's possible that we don't have light that days, and if they need to see the picture in a best way. So I'm going to show the pictures, and the students are going to tell me the word in English, and after that they are going to repeat the word in order to practice the pronunciation. And I have this part of the same picture. On this we have the general appearance, about the skin, brunette, white, black, hair type, or general appearance. On this I have this about the weight and about personality. So when I finish this activity of recognizing the adjectives, I'm going to give the students this piece of paper, and this piece of paper will have 9 spaces where the students are going to play bingo, and they are going to choose 9 adjectives from the poster, from these pictures, from the PowerPoint presentation, and they are going to write one by one here as they want. They decided which adjective they want to write here. When they finish to write the adjectives, I will have a plastic bag with all of these adjectives, and I'm going to begin to say aloud each one by one of these adjectives, and the students are going to check if they have the adjective on this paper. And the first students that have all of the 9 adjectives here will win the bingo activity. So then with this annex 3, I'm going to show this picture about a musical singer, musical artist, and he is Sebastian Yatra. and I'm going to describe the picture, and I'm going to say for example, the sentence is Sebastian is attractive, he is black hair, he's skinny, he is tall, he has white skin, he has spiky hair. So I'm going to show the description, and I'm going to explain the students the use of the adjectives for this kind of people, and with the verbs to be, in this case is, and the verb has. So if the students have questions, or they want to say a sentence to describe Sebastian Yatra, they can do it. So after this, I'm going to ask the student to make groups. They are going to make 6 groups, and they are going to describe one of these persons, these artists. They are going to receive one of these pictures of these artists, and in groups they are going to make a description about these persons. I'm going to give the student about 5 or 10 minutes to make the description, and when they finish preparing this description, they are going to stand up, and in front of the class they are going to explain the description. That's this activity. And after this, to final the class, it's like a quiz, I suppose, to review if the students understand the theme. I'm going to make an activity by pairs. I'm going to ask the students to choose a classmate, and to make a description of his or her partner. And the students are going to make 3 or more sentences if they want to describe their partners. And they are going to say it aloud in front of the class. And that's the final activity. And when we finish this, I'm going to make a reflection about the class. It's important to know how did the students feel. I'm going to ask them if they like the class, what did they learn in the class, and well, that's all in general. Some questions about the class, and I final with this activity, and that's all for my class.